So from yesterday's call, RTY, the Russell, I think I want to I want to change my stop loss. We are up 130, 135. Very good, Nick. Excellent. But that's fine. I'm going to move my stop loss. I think we are up 130, 140 ticks depending on your entry. I want to move my stop loss to 1602 area. So right now I'm gonna type it. Our entry is the very bottom of the move, if you see here, and the stop loss was 1592 yesterday, and I said at 4 p.m. yesterday I'm looking for a big move, and I just asked everybody to move their stop to 1602, which is still very good if it stops out, very, very good, but I'm looking for a bigger move. Maybe today another push. Now our NAD gas, you're still in it. We're up with 60 to 70 ticks depending on the entry, right? And it's still gonna go. I said yesterday at 9:30 p.m. move your stop to 2.8, which was in the profit. Like if you got in at 2.8303, you are maybe plus 3 ticks on the stop loss. So all is good. I will choose another stop loss soon for the nat gas. But between both, we are up just maybe around 200 ticks now between the RTY, which is 130 ticks and more, and about 70 ticks now on the nat gas. Nat gas, I want to exit. We have a traction to a higher pricing. It could go back to break-even point. So I would say NG exiting now. We do have about 70 ticks, but I see nat gas attraction to 2.8, as you noticed. I will mark it. I see 2.8 attraction, so I would exit. I would rather get my 70 ticks. Okay. Okay. On the indices, I have attraction lower. Therefore, I would also exit my RTY. So exit RTY now. So we have 120 ticks or so. Okay. However, the reason why, because I see attraction, so I see attraction for a lower move on indices on RTY, YM, and NQ for retracements. Okay, thank you. The attractions I see on YM, for example, is all the way down to this level. Attraction I see on RTY is all the way down to this level, which is here. So possibly I might call a short on RTY and YM and possibly Nasdaq too. Just to let you know, if I had kept my RTY without noticing the attraction lower, I would have been stopped out at still not bad, maybe 100 ticks, 90 ticks, but would have been stopped out. So I realized the attraction lower, and you saw as soon as I said the market, the attraction is lower on the indices, all markets went up for a little bit, like just to maybe confuse people, and then they started coming down. So the volume is controlling or giving you the lead ahead of time. As you notice, the indices broke down, mostly the RTY, and I still see it coming down to this 1592, which was our stop loss from yesterday's long trade call. We came on the Russell very close to the level that I anticipated, but it went up. So I'm expecting a short from here. I want to see if there's a possibility here on the RTY. I would like to take it. So I will explore the ideas of a short on RTY from 1601, 1602 all the way down to 1592. I see the short now. Let's see if we can get a good entry point. So let's grab it between here and 1602. Stop loss will be 1603 for now. T1, I would say take 10 ticks. And after the 10 ticks, move the stop loss to 1602. Okay, we're good. We are easily up 25, 26, 27 ticks now on this trade call. Stop loss, of course, it moved to 1602 as I mentioned, right? Oh, here I forgot to type, but here 1602. So now your stop loss is 1602, meaning we're still in the profitable level even if it gets taken out. However, my last target will be 1592. Okay, just to show you the precision again, I was expecting the indices to come down, and here's the YM actually came to this level and exceeded it. I'm hoping for the RTY to give us more. We are about 40 ticks. We were about over 50, 55 ticks in profits in this trade call. But let's see if we can get 1592. Stop, move it to 1601, which is break even for most cases if you took it when I called it. Okay, crude inventory report just came out. Regardless of the results, the crude reacted back and forth. I see big reaction to 60.10 on crude. See if I can manage a trade call. I would do that, but if I don't, careful, don't go against this. You might be thinking it could be long, but to me it looks like it has to come back down to 60.10. So let's wait and see. Last target on RTY upper by 10 ticks, so it will be 1593 actually. Okay, so my last target will be 1593, which is just below this DRL. Folks, that is 80 ticks out right now, plus 10 on 2. Initially, that's 20. So altogether, 100 ticks gold right here in front of you on this RTY. It was anticipated ahead of time. The first thing in the morning, we anticipated the RTY to come down. Therefore, we exited our long that we had from this area exactly. We exited that. Very nice from yesterday's call. So not only the knowledge gave us the fact that the fact that we saved our trade from yesterday was a long, it also gave us a short. So both ways, it was just fantastic. You know, today one trade call only I did, and when the market doesn't move, I don't have to push it. That's the idea behind self-control and trying to be patient. And these examples are done right in front of you. Like, you know, I mentioned YM is coming down, but I did not find an exact entry level to call a trade. I mentioned RTY is coming down. I could not find anything until it went back up all the way to this area that I called it, right? So it is very hard to be patient, and that's one thing one main thing that actually kills a lot of traders in terms of making wrong decisions. So work on that part. The rest is going to come because the methodology is very clear, folks. The method is very clear, very precise. Uh, One thing you have to remember, if you don't see it in terms of a level and exact entry level, it means it's not there. Okay, that's very important. And as you see, as soon as we got into this RTY target, initially was 1592, but 1593 exited, it bounced back up. That being said, I'm done for today in the room, but if there's anything, just like every day, I will put it on Slack. Take care, everyone. Bye for now. And as you see, finally, we got to this price exactly on crude. Therefore, precision is important, folks. This knowledge you need to know, you need to learn, and the current price for learning this and being with us as a member is not going to be any cheaper than this. Hopefully, you'll benefit from it, and thank you for paying attention. Bye.